Hi. I'm the jungle monkey. I love bananas so much. Oh, my belly said hi. Oh, I ate too much banana again. Now I'm super chubby and full. Hope I'm not gonna explode. Okay, jungle workout time. Oh, these bananas made me extra chubby. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Why is the river so shiny? Is it water, or did the jungle spill its juice? Finally, see, my jungle workout worked. I'm not chubby anymore. Okay, give me a banana. Oops. I mean, like and subscribe. See you in the jungle.